In this video, we will learn how to use drawing tool in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document, go to the Draw tab. In Draw tab, have a drawing tools. Here have some option in drawing tools. When you keep cursor on here, just you can see the pen with the gold color 2 mm, and here the highlighter, okay, 8 mm, and this is the eraser and these are the selector. Okay, I just select here the one pen and draw here. Okay, if you want to change color of this pen, just click on this drop down arrow and you can change the color here. I just draw with a different color. And if you want to improve the thickness of this drawing pen, you can again click on this drop down arrow and here the thickness option. Just select your thickness. You can see the preview of the thickness here and you can draw with the thickness. Okay, now if you want to add any another pen, just right click on the pen and click on the add another pen. You can select also color of this pen, so I select here the color with the thickness, and now you can use this pen. Okay, and here if you want to select the particular drawing, suppose here I just draw something and I want to remove this, I want to move this drawing in in below side. Okay, so I just click on this lasso select option and I select this area. Okay, and select this area with the mouse and leave it. Okay, this drawing is selected. Now you can easily move anywhere this drawing. Okay, so I said just deselect this option to use the escape key button of the keyboard. Okay, now as use the second one, selection option, just click on it. Here just click any drawing, you can see the selection, you can move anywhere this drawing with the select. Okay, this is a way you can use this two tool. Select your drawing and you can move anywhere. You can change size also of your drawing. You can see here, you can change easily size also. Okay, and I use here the eraser now to erase everything. Okay, now I write here some sentence. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, now here I use the highlighter. In drawing tools have this is a highlighter. Just click on it and you can highlight any text or sentence with this highlighter. If you want to change color of this highlighter, you can it. Just click on this drop down arrow and select your color and use the different color. Okay, okay, so this is a way you can use the highlighter also. And eraser, you can see, just click on this drop down arrow. You can increase the thickness of eraser also. When I draw something here, suppose I draw here something and click on the eraser arrow, and here the two types of eraser and the point eraser. When I click on it, you can just see the eraser pointer. Okay, so you can erase with the pointer. So you can change the thickness of eraser also. So this is the way. And if you want to delete any pen from this drawing tool, just right click of the any pen and click on the delete pen. Okay, and if you want to add this pen in your quick access toolbar, this is a quick access toolbar. Right click on this pen and click on the add gallery to quick access toolbar. Okay, it means all drawing tools will add it in quick access toolbar. You can see here this showing the pen. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here full drawing tools is added in your quick access toolbar. Okay, so this is a way you can use the drawing tool in your Microsoft Word document. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.